Then for our first tropical fruit, I think pineapple's tropical, maybe? Hi everybody, my name is Dan and welcome to my kitchen for another yummy episode of Man Cake. Today we're going to be making a tropical, ultimate party ready llama cake. It's like, the unicorn cake, but it's a llama because, llamas are more fun and they know how to party. All the directions and everything we're going to be using today are going to be down below in the description. And if you're new to the channel and like to show your support, click that subscribe button and ring the bell so you know when brand new videos are posted with new recipes and new ultimate cake designs. I'm trying this whole new thing and I'm really enjoying it, and I'm loving kind of the challenge, putting it all together. I like the simplicity, the practicality of recipes, but I'm having so much fun with this. So definitely join the fun and have your friends join the fun. It's just one big fun party ready llama party fun. That made sense in my head. So for today's cake, I'm going to be using four 6-inch round white cakes. I'll throw that recipe down below. It's super delicious, and I made some adjustments. This way it makes kind of stacking the cakes so much easier. So with our first layer of cake, we're going to go ahead, place it on our turntable, add some vanilla buttercream, just a nice little border. Then for our first tropical fruit, I think pineapple's tropical, maybe? I'm sure you'll let me know if I have that wrong down below in the comment. But for our first tropical fruit, we're going to be using delicious pineapple right in the middle. Just a couple of scoops. Then we're really going to stuff it in, so let's go ahead and give another border layer of buttercream. And follow that with more delicious pineapple that may or may not be tropical. So with our first layer done, let's go ahead and add our second layer of cake. Pipe a yummy border of buttercream. And then fill this layer with delicious glazed cherries. Once you have your cherries all filled in, we want to go ahead and add our third layer of cake. And then back in with another double piped border of buttercream. That sounds a lot better. And then sprinkle on with some delicious fresh shredded coconut. Fresh as in went to Aldi's, got a bag of it, that's fresh. And then top with our last layer of cake. Now we're going to go ahead and while spinning our turntable, we're going to add lots of buttercream all around the sides of the cake. This way when we smooth it out, we have a good, nice, yummy buttercream wall, border, barrier to keep all of our yummy fruit on the inside. And be sure to fill in those gaps between each layer. And then either with a straight spatula or an offset spatula, go ahead and just spread that buttercream around. This way it kind of starts forming that nice barrier that we're looking for. Now let's go ahead and let this chill in the fridge for a little bit and get cleaned up here and get ready for another yummy coat of buttercream. So it's been a couple of minutes. Our cake is nice and chilled up a little bit. It's kind of did some ferment in the fridge. So let's go ahead and add our second coat of delicious, yummy buttercream. And be sure to really pipe it on. And once your sides are all covered, we'll go ahead and add some more buttercream on top of the cake. And then with our cake comb, we're gonna go ahead and as we're rotating that turntable again, we're gonna slightly press it up against the cake and just gently turn it while we smooth out our buttercream. And And then swap that out with an offset spatula and let's smooth out the top of our cake. A little smoothing, nice flat top. And then back in with our cake comb and really smooth out those sides. Give some slight gentle pressure. Now let's go ahead, grab our buttercream and do some spackling. Fill in those holes, fill in those kind of those crevices, those gaps that we might have from turntable not really cooperating 100%. And then we'll just go back in and smooth it out. And for the top of the cake, to get those nice smooth flat lines, we're going to go ahead and take our offset spatula, press the edge up against the cake, the top rim, slightly fold it down and give it a swoop. So for one more time, let's go ahead and let our cake chill in the fridge for a little bit and get resituated here and put on our finishing touches for our llama cake. So we're back with our cake. It's nice and chilled, firmed up again. So let's go ahead and take a bamboo skewer, or a wooden skewer, and trace a nice little outline for the llama's face. This way we kind of know where not to pipe our buttercream. You'll see why in a minute. We'll do a nice little heart shape. So with our llama face outline all done on the cake, we're gonna go ahead and pipe on some yummy buttercream to give it that kind of that poofy, shaggy, fluffy fur coat. But we're gonna go ahead and get that done by using an 8B Wilton tip. It's like the open star. Let me get in closer here so you can see it. No, that's not helping at all. Maybe if I lean, but no. But it's got like a multiple star points on it. Wilton 8B. That's all you need to just go to Michael's, go to Amazon, just type in Wilton 8B. Really not that expensive. I'll throw a link down below if you're interested, but you can really get this effect done with any sort of tip that you want, or if you don't want to use a tip and you just want to do a little, lost the word there, a little dollops of buttercream, why not? Your llama, your party llama, your tropical fruit party llama can have any sort of llama fur, fluffy poofiness that you wanted to have. So we'll start piping some little poofs around the outline of our llama face and just work our way around. Now with our outline for our llama face all done with our buttercream, we want to go ahead around the whole entire cake and just drop in buttercream dollops all over to give that full llama poofiness. And we'll change up the sizes here, some big ones, some little ones. And there is our poofy llama face. Now let's go ahead and work on the top by switching our tips out to a 1M Wilton tip. We'll do a nice little outline. And then just work our way in with yummy dollops of our vanilla buttercream. So I went ahead last night and made these yummy cute fondant llama ears and a little fondant party hat. So we're gonna go ahead and just add on our 2 ears and our llama party hat. Next, we're gonna go ahead and let our cake chill in the fridge for just one more time. I promise, just one more time. And get a mat on our counter so we can work with some fondant to give some more party attire for our llama cake. That's what I'm looking for, party attire. So for our fondant, we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some powdered sugar on our work surface and then just loosen up the fondant. And then we're gonna go ahead and just roll it out a little bit. And cut out a little rectangle. And then cut out a tiny little red square. Then we're gonna go ahead, grab some blue fondant and do the exact same thing and cut a tiny little square. And I'm sure by now you can guess what party attire we're gonna give our llama. Some classic retro style 80s, was it the 80s? 80s 3D glasses. You got the red, you got the blue, you got the white. Wish I had a pair. So go ahead and place these on top of the white. Though looking at these now, I think they might be a little too small for a llama face, but Party Llama does not care. And before we put our 3D glasses on our llama, we're gonna take that same blue fondant and roll out a little nose and a little, little mouth and kind of really just give it that full-on llama effect. Wow, that's really just right in your face, sorry. And we'll just try to get it nice and even because it is super hot in here. And this fondant does not want to cooperate. And now for our extra small, slightly undersized, classic 3D glasses. And then toss on some yummy silver sprinkles. Give it a little spin and your llama is ready for a night out in town and party it up. I mean, he's got his cute little hat, he's got his glasses, he's got all the silver sprinkle confetti. Well, that's all I have today. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of, the party llama cake. I know the glasses are not sized appropriately, but I'm thinking this llama could, there's lots of holidays coming up. We can have Halloween llama, a Christmas llama, a New Year's llama, and we can just hit up all the holidays and just llama-fy them. Llama-fy them? I'm gonna stick with it, llama-fy them. But yeah, let me know what you think. And if you make your own yummy llama cake, because llama is the new unicorn, give a tag on Instagram or, almost said MySpace again. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, all the fun places. And click that subscribe button and ring that bell because llama or not, these cakes are gonna be getting bigger and better and more just yummy. Because I'm enjoying the challenge and I like, learning new things with everybody and sharing what I'm learning and sharing my undersized 3D glasses. But we'll see how that fondant work goes in the future. And I will see you all very, very soon. And until then, bye.